how to fix this account is not allowed to use WhatsApp due to spam. So if you want to fix this account is not allowed to use WhatsApp due to spam, then what you need to do is you just need simply make sure that you have an internet connection. After that, you need to open up your Play Store, and from the Play Store you need to go with search, and under search you need to search for WhatsApp. After searching for WhatsApp, you need to go with uninstall, which is on the left side, and uninstall the application. After uninstalling the application, you just need simply go back and restart your device. After restarting, now you need to go with your Google or your browser, anything that you are comfortable with, and here you need to search for contact WhatsApp. After searching for contact WhatsApp, now here you need to go with the first option, which will take you to the official support page, and from here you need to tap on contact us, which is here on the left side, and now you need to enter the mobile number that you are using and the email address that is connected with your WhatsApp, and again confirm your email address, and you need to select in which device you are facing the problem. For example, if you are facing the problem on Android, you can go with Android and then enter the message. Under the message you need to write that I'm facing problem. So, hi team, my phone number has been banned from WhatsApp by mistake. Could you please kindly fix the problem? After that, send, and your problem might be fixed. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.